Making sense of coordinating conjunctions. Hello, English learners. Today, we'll be diving into a crucial part of the English language that helps you connect your thoughts and ideas smoothly, coordinating conjunctions. Remember, understanding and using these conjunctions correctly can greatly improve your fluency in English. First and foremost, let's talk about what coordinating conjunctions are. In English, coordinating conjunctions are words that join together elements of equal grammatical rank, such as words, phrases, or clauses. They are like the glue that holds these parts of a sentence together, helping you express complex thoughts and ideas more clearly. To make it easier to remember, English teachers often use the acronym FANBOYS to represent the 7 coordinating conjunctions. Each letter stands for a conjunction: for, and, nor, but, or, yet. So, these conjunctions play different roles, and we'll explore some of them briefly in the next sections. For, and are often used to show addition or reason. For is used to indicate a reason or purpose, similar to because. For instance, I must go, for I am late. And is used to add information or list items. Example: I bought apples and oranges. Nor, and, but, show contrast or negation. Nor is used to introduce another negative idea. It's used after neither, like, neither John nor Mary is here. But shows a contrast, similar to, however. Example: I tried, but I failed. Or, yet, and, so, indicate choice, contrast, and consequence respectively. Or is used to present options. For example, you can have tea or coffee. Yet introduces a contrasting idea that's somewhat surprising, like, she is small yet strong. So is used to show a result or effect, akin to, therefore. For instance, I was tired, so I went to bed. And that's a wrap on coordinating conjunctions. We've looked at what they are and how they function within sentences, helping you better articulate your thoughts. Remember the acronym FANBOYS to keep track of the 7 coordinating conjunctions. Keep practicing, and soon enough, you'll be using these conjunctions like a pro. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.